Today I'm gonna be showing you the ultimate ring setup. I'm gonna be using the Digitalfoto RS2 ring grip paired with my DJI RS3 Pro gimbal. I'm Ayo with Ayo JR Photography and Video. I'm a wedding videographer and a content creator based out of Raleigh, North Carolina. I really wasn't a fan of ring grip setups when I saw them because I just felt like it was too much equipment, it was too bulky, it was too heavy. I really fell in love with the Zhiyun crane gimbals when they came out with the Gimbal S. It was small, light, compact. It gave me exactly what I needed. As time has moved on, you know, I want to use a mic, I want to use a light. Now you got wireless audio with the DJI wireless mics and you want to mount that on there. And then the camera gets too top heavy. You can balance it on the gimbal, but it's not as stable. So I had a chance to review the Digitalfoto RS2 ring grip. After using it, I just fell in love and my gimbal has been mounted to this ring setup ever since. I plan on leaving my RS3 Pro gimbal attached to this, and then I plan on buying a regular RS3 if I just need something quick and easy. If I'm doing weddings or real estate gigs or professional work, I'm probably gonna just use the ring setup. And the reason why is I can mount everything I need to it. From audio, lighting, Zoom F3 recorder with 32-bit float, my monitor mount, my iPhone clamp to use Monitor Plus, anything I need. I mean, look at this. I even got my headphones sitting right here on it. And I can power the whole system with a V-mount battery and shoot all day long. This system is definitely gonna work best if you pair it with the Easy Rig or the Digitalfoto hook vest. It will get a little bit heavy with all the different accessories I have attached to it. Plus, when you're trying to get different angles with the gimbal, zooming out, making any adjustments, it's really nice to have that hook vest hold that weight of the whole setup. Let me go over my whole setup and everything that I have on the ring grip. So the DJI RS3 Pro gimbal is running the whole setup. I have it powered with this YinCam 99-watt mini V-mount battery. This YinCam 99-watt-hour battery has 2 DTAP ports on it and 2 USB ports. So I can power the gimbal, I can power my Ninja monitor, and I can power the camera all with this one battery. And I never have to swap batteries out when I'm on a shoot. I have my A7S III on here. I love this camera. I have been shooting with the Tamron 28-75 G2 lens and then my Samyang 50mm f1.4 lens. That way I have the versatility to zoom, but if I want to get a shallow depth of field, I can throw my Samyang lens on there and shoot at f1.4. I started using the 35-150 one day. I just had it on my camera when I was about to use my gimbal and I didn't feel like taking it off. And I absolutely fell in love with it. Being able to shoot at 35 at f2, or zooming into 50mm and shoot at 2.2, or now even going to all the way to 150 to get some compression and shoot at 2.8. I mean, it was just super versatile and I can still get all the shots that I needed and I can move a lot faster. And with it being paired on this ring grip setup, having that bigger, heavier lens on it wasn't an issue anymore. I also have my small rig matte box on here so I can block light, any unwanted light. I hooked up the DJI follow focus onto the zoom of my lens. So I'm using autofocus because I'm with Sony, but I'm using that focus motor to be able to zoom in and out really easy when I'm using this 35-150. Let's talk about audio. I have my DJI wireless mic system on the top of my A7S III. I have that going in to my Zoom F3 recorder. Then I have a line out from the Zoom F3 going back into my A7S III, so the scratch audio on my files is still coming from the DJI mic. And then I have my Rode Video Mic Go 2 on top of the ring grip, and that's going into the Zoom F3 as well. I have the Deity V-Link XLR to mic jack cable that converts the 48-volt phantom power to the right voltage for the Video Mic Go 2. The reason why I have both of those mics going into my Zoom F3 recorder is because it's 32-bit float. So when I turn this recorder on, I just turn it on, I hit record. There's no levels to it. If I'm using the shotgun mic to get ambient stuff, or if I have a live mic with the DJI mic system on someone, no matter what audio source I'm using, it's not gonna clip. And then with me having the ability to run it back into camera, that's another audio source. And I also have my headphones right here so I can monitor the audio. I have my DJI Ronin phone mount right here, and I use the Monitor Plus app to control my settings, and I use the Monitor Plus app to touch the focus. Now I'm looking to upgrade my Ninja V monitor to the Portkeys BM52 That gives me camera control. So now I'm gonna have a great image on top to view my image, but I also can touch the focus and control my settings with the actual monitor versus using my phone. This ring setup literally gives me everything I need for no matter what type of shoot I'm doing. If I'm doing a music video, if I'm doing a corporate video, if I'm doing a wedding, this gives me everything I need. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit the like. If you love the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think about my setup. You know, if you have any suggestions on how I can make it better, also drop a comment below and just let me know your setup on your ring grips or even just your gimbals.